Hi, I'm Tracy Phillips, and it is my mission to rid the internet of video vomit, one online business at a time. I'm the Video Structure Lady, and I'm going to be popping in here weekly to help you take your scattered but brilliant ideas and turn them into engaging online videos that convert. Listen, I've been working professionally in the video world for almost 2 decades, and I can tell you the biggest mistake I see is you're thinking way too much about the tech and not nearly enough about what your audience wants from you. Stick with me, and I'm going to help you figure out what the heck you're supposed to say so your viewers not only click your videos, but hang around because they want more. Don't worry, I'll also work with you on where to film your videos, framing, lighting, and sound. And the best part is the only tech you need to get started is your finger and a phone. So if you want to learn how to structure great videos, get more confident on camera, and turn those internet strangers into super fans, then click that pretty red subscribe button and let's go make video magic together.